Hey guys, very good evening and welcome back to another vlog. I hope you all are doing all good in life. I'm also good. Okay, so whatever work you all are doing, wherever you all are in the world, I hope you all are all doing great these days. So after a very long time, I'm meeting you all. Okay, you all also must be seeing me after a very long time. Okay, and there is a reason why I have not uploaded some kind of videos. Okay, so from last few days, I have stopped uploading videos on cars. Okay, so car reviews have been completely stopped. Okay, and I have just disappeared from YouTube. Okay, from Mr. Perfecto Vlogs. So there is a reason why I have disappeared these days, and the thing is that the UAE National Council of the Media Council has actually issued a notice saying that if you all want to upload any kind of brand videos, okay, you all are making any brand sponsorship videos, be it paid, be it unpaid, you need to have a media license. Okay, doesn't really matter how many subscribers you have, doesn't really matter how is the view content, okay, how many people are viewing it, either you are getting it in one or two views, or you are getting millions or thousands, doesn't really matter. Okay, so if at all I'm promoting any brand, okay, if there are any car reviews or whatever brand it may be, then I need to have a media license. Okay, and if I don't follow the rules and regulations of the country, you know what it leads to. It leads to direct fines and imprisonment. Okay, so as you all know, our YouTube family has already been around 500 subscribers only, so around 550 560 something, not really sure. So the thing is that I need to have a media license for uploading any kind of video. Okay, and if you have seen a pattern, then I mostly upload videos on cars. Okay, and cars means a brand. Okay, be it Toyota, be it Lexus, be it Nissan, be it any Chinese cars, okay, be it anything, I need to have a media license. Okay, and the cost of media license is around 7,500 to around 15,500. Okay, so all the content creators in the UAE, if you are promoting any brand, be it paid, be it unpaid, you need to have a media license. Okay, and if you get caught, okay, because everything over here is regulated. Okay, all the content, all the media, be it even a small YouTube video or a small Instagram reel, everything is monitored over here. Okay, don't just think that my audience is only for you, UAE, or it's for India. No, it's for everyone. Okay, and because of that I have decided that I will be stopping to make videos. Okay, I won't be making any car reviews, car videos now. Even shorts, I might just upload some driving shots, but any promotional shots or anything with regards to any brand, then I am really sorry guys, I will not be uploading. Okay, yes, our YouTube channel was growing. We started from zero, we started from scratch, and we reached almost around 550 subscribers. Okay, last time when I checked, I guess today morning or so, it was around 550 plus only. So it was going great. Okay, there was no stopping back. But since UAE has actually, the Media Council of UAE has said they needed to have a trade license or a media permit, so I just don't want to go against it. Okay, because this is not my country, we are into someone else's country. Okay, and we have to be grateful to those people who actually opened the doors for us to come to work over here, to have a better quality of life. Because as you know, in India, no matter how much of taxes we pay, being the nationals of India, okay, being the citizens of India, you know how much of taxes we pay and what are the kind of services. Okay, the government doesn't really care about most of us. Okay, it cares only for certain sections of people. You know who I'm referring to, right? Yeah, so because of that, we all moved to the UAE. Okay, and UAE has been a special place in my hearts, although it's just been like 2.5 years that I have been residing in the UAE, but it's been like I have been over here forever. Okay, and to tell you frankly, I don't want to leave this country. Okay, because it has given me a lot. Okay, a lot more than my own country, India. Okay, and I don't want to go against it. If the authorities want me to have a media license, then definitely I will try to get it. But to tell you frankly, I don't earn any money from this promotions or any transfers or any of this kind of things. Okay, whatever it is my own salary income. Okay, till date whatever I have done, it's from my salary income only. Okay, now you must be wondering, how do I procure this cars, how do I get this car? To tell you frankly, my first video was on an electric car known as Lucid. Okay, so when I started vlogging, I started with the intention that whenever I travel anywhere or whenever I have to show anything, I will post on this. Okay, but then I required a purpose, that why do I need to upload a video, or for what is the reason I need to make a vlog? And that's the time I realized I need a specific content, okay, a specific area which I need to focus on. And then I knew that I am good into cars, I love cars, I like driving. Okay, and that point of time, no, I had just got my UAE driving license. So I thought that this is the good time where I can actually focus on this kind of content, where I review cars, where I tell more about cars. Of course, at that point of time, I didn't have my own car because I had just got that job, and that job was not paying me enough that I could afford a car. Okay, but as you know, last year I changed my job and I got a good package. Okay, good, decent enough to support me and my vlogging, to support me and my cars. Okay, so that's the reason I came into this. And as we were growing, actually our cars also were coming in more and more. Now you must be thinking, from where do I procure these cars? Then earlier I used to go to Ras Al Khor, okay, Ras Al Khor car market, to procure all these cars. So I had some contacts with some dealers and all over there, some luxury car dealers, some normal car dealers and all. Okay, as you must have known, whoever watches my videos regularly. So we used to procure those cars from there. And recently, to tell you frankly, I actually work for a car rental agency in Dubai. Okay, so we give cars on rent and all. And last 1 year back, I was not getting all these cars and all. Recently, around 4 to 5 months back, there was a circular issued by our management that if anybody wants to test drive any vehicle, okay, because the thing is that we procure those cars from dealers, okay, be it Toyota, be it BYD, be it Lexus, be it Kia, be it Hyundai, be it any car company. Okay, they actually send their test drive vehicles to our company. Okay, so they are like, you know what, that you give a test drive to their vehicle, to their clients. Okay, let the car move in, and maybe because of that they might actually get some good sales also, correct? Because people, when they come to approach our car industry, car company, I mean to say the rental car company, they come with the motive that they want a car. But in case there is any particular car which is available for test drive, that is the time we can actually give the vehicle to them. Okay, so keeping that in mind, I was very happy. Okay, I asked the management for certain permissions and all, that I want to test drive the vehicle, I want to make a vlog and all. And they told that you make a vlog and you promote the showroom as well. Okay, it's not a showroom, it's a car rental industry. So those people who are wondering that which car rental industry I'm working, or the which car company I'm working for, they need to know, you need to go to my LinkedIn. Okay, so on LinkedIn I have posted. Okay, so if you go on my LinkedIn, you will come to know which car company I'm working for, the car rental industry. And they don't charge anything from me, neither I charge anything, because they pay me a salary. And they have not come to me to to promote the video and all. They told me that you take the car, but जैसी गाड़ी गई है वैसी गाड़ी वापस भी आनी चाहिए, without any scratch, without any dent, without anything. Okay, there should be no damages. The way the car has gone, the way the car has to come back. Okay, so from last few months, if you see, I have not gone to Ras Al Khor and all. I used to come over here to a place known as Al Quoz only. Okay, because I work in Al Quoz in Dubai, and I come to a masjid parking. Okay, a mosque parking over here, and I used to shoot the videos. Okay, let me just show through it. So today I actually had the BYD, but I'm not vlogging on it. So let me just show you the area. Yeah, it's very hot also outside. So let me just show it to you. Yeah, so this is the place actually where I come, okay, for vlogging and all. Yeah, so this is basically a mosque, and this is the parking, and this is the car. Okay, so it's a BYD. It's a hybrid electric vehicle. Okay, petrol and EV it runs on. It looks actually quite nice and good, but we are not come for the review over here. Okay, we just come to make a small video, and it says BYD Queen Plus. It's a plug-in hybrid. Okay, so would love to review on this. I guess the hybrid plug-in will be somewhere over here only. Okay, so not very sure about that. Yeah, the plug-in, I guess it's over here. Okay, yeah, so from here you can charge your vehicle, and here you can fill your fuel. Okay, yeah, see, this is the fuel leak. Okay, and this is the for today's car actually. So let's get back to the topic. Okay, will not take much time. Yeah, so back to the topic. So this was the place which I used to come for, you know, these shoots and all, because this was earlier a free parking zone. I guess from now onwards, you know, they started this paid parking, because I can see the boards over here of paid parking. Okay, so anyways, just 5 to 10 minutes more and then I will be leaving over here, so I didn't pay for parking and all. Okay, so I was saying that I usually used to get these vehicles from the company itself. Okay, and as well, and as you know, I love cars, car guys, so definitely cars meaning love for me. Okay, and love doesn't die that easily. Okay, so that's the reason I thought let's start making videos. So I was getting the cars from my office only. I didn't have to go to Russell Cornell, but I should go to car markets. Okay, like the other day I had gone to Ajman Car Souk, then Sharjah Car Souk also I went. There were so many videos. I guess almost I had shot for 2 months and kept. Okay, I have data for almost 2 months. I can show it on my phone, where I have already vlogged and kept the things ready. Okay, I just needed to edit the videos and I need to upload it. But since the time August month I started, okay, I have completely stopped. Now this video I'll be uploading end of the month only, so that is the time you will be coming to know. Okay, so it was quite a nice journey, but don't think that I will be stopping to vlog on it. Okay, of course I will not be promoting cars. Okay, no, there will be no car videos which will be coming up, but most probably I will be posting lifestyle videos, car market videos and travel videos. Okay, so these are the kind of videos that I'll be posting for you guys. Okay, plus I'm thinking to start a new series on the UAE job market. Okay, so I know most of y'all want to come to the Gulf market, UAE market, Dubai, to search for any jobs and all. So in those cases I'm thinking to start a video for y'all. Okay, because I won't be promoting any brands on it. Okay, it just will be a normal lifestyle video only which will be coming, and I'll be talking to y'all. Okay, and on those basis we will meet. Okay, but every Friday there won't be a video. Maybe once in a month or twice a month I will try my best to upload any video for y'all. Okay, because I don't want to go against the laws of the UAE. I respect the UAE government, the laws of the UAE, and since they have told me to take the license, okay, not only to me, the whole of the Gulf, they're told to take license and then start. So I don't have money so much to tell you. 7,500 dirhams is not a joke to me, because my monthly salary is also not 7,500 dirhams, to tell you frankly. Okay, I make decent amount of money which can keep me happy. Okay, because I want to stay in this country forever. To tell you frankly, I don't earn any single dirham from this vlogging and all. Okay, tell you frankly, nothing. It's zero. Just that I only have invested a lot of money. Okay, but anyways, okay, I will be making videos as I have told you on what kind of content now, and plus anything on my car. Okay, that's my personal car, I'll be making videos on. Okay, so that shouldn't be any problem for the government, right? Yeah, so this kind of videos will be coming up, so make sure that you subscribe and you keep. Okay, I would love to vlog again on cars, review cars, but not with such an motive where the government get hurt, and because of that I might have to leave the country. So I don't want to leave this country. This country has given me a lot. Okay, and I'll always be grateful. I am grateful, will always be grateful till the day I die for UAE government. Okay, so thank you so much to all my subscribers. Okay, whoever have subscribed to my channel and all. Okay, we have crossed almost 550 subscribers. Okay, but make sure that you subscribe and keep, because there will be lifestyle vlogs coming up. Maybe on the weekends I might go somewhere or the other, so you all might get some small videos and all, maybe once or twice a month, but not guaranteed. And make sure that you follow me on Instagram, because that is the place where I mostly post all of this kind of videos and all. Okay, so whenever I be taking any car from the office and all, I'll be posting some shorts only. Okay, maybe some reels, some shorts, but for that I won't be promoting anything. Okay, just going to be a test drive or something. So Instagram is very important, and those people who want to know more about my work, they can contact me on LinkedIn. Okay, so LinkedIn is a place where I post a lot of this kind of stuff. Okay, and that's how you all will be able to coming to know what I'm actually doing. Okay, so thank you so much to all my subscribers, those people who wish to watch my content regularly, okay, on car video channel. I know a lot of people used to not watch, be it around 500 subscribers, but I guess my videos, my car car reviews were only around like 100 to 200, maximum 300. But still, as a motive to do it, I used to always love to make videos, and definitely I will be making videos. Right now I'm recording on my camera, and this is my phone. Thinking to buy another phone because this phone is giving me a lot of problems. Okay, so thinking to buy another phone. So if anyone has good recommendations, so please do recommend me. Of course, car market vlogs I'll be making, okay, because I won't be selling off this camera and the mic because I have invested a lot on this. So I'll be keeping it for my normal vlogging also. So I'm thinking to use this for my lifestyle vlogs and all, okay, and car market vlogs that will be definitely coming up. So please do recommend me a good phone. And if you want to watch any kind of video, okay, not with regards to any promotion, okay, promotion please don't ask, brands don't ask, okay, you want to see any videos with regards to UAE, please do let me know on Instagram, okay, on the comment section. Thank you so much all of y'all whoever is subscribed. I would definitely love once again to come back to my era where I will vlog on cars. Let's see, maybe in India I might upload it, but not in the UAE, okay. So very sorry about it, because I have to respect the rules and regulations of the country, okay, because I want to stay over here, I don't want to go anywhere. So thank you so much, okay. I will be meeting you all on Instagram, on YouTube for lifestyle vlogs and all. So thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, take care, and love you lots.
Look in the mirror, who's looking back at me? I don't know what happened, guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems, I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on.